Cloves are tiny, yet they pack a powerful punch for health. Let's uncover their secrets. Antioxidants are vital for reducing oxidative stress in the body. Cloves excel in this area. A strong immune system fights off diseases. Cloves give our immunity a natural boost. Good digestion is key to overall health. Cloves make this easier for your body. Inflammation leads to pain and various health issues. Cloves have natural anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves have been used for centuries to maintain oral hygiene and fight bacteria. Managing blood sugar is essential for health. Cloves can play a role in this. Nutrients support our body's functions. Cloves are full of them. Some studies show that cloves might help in cancer prevention. This potential is remarkable. Cloves contain compounds that contribute to healthy bones. They are surprisingly effective. Healthy skin radiates from the inside out. Cloves make your skin glow naturally. Breathing well is life-enhancing. Cloves can support respiratory health. Headaches can disrupt your day. Cloves offer a natural way to alleviate them. A healthy heart ensures a healthy life. Cloves help keep your heart beating strong. Cloves provide a natural way to enhance your overall wellness. Embrace them on your journey.